If you're seeing this on November 22nd, then this message is for you. This is your synchronicity from Spirit to show that they're with you and they want to give you some clarity on a situation. So the first thing that I was shown was, you know the game Sims? Sims is a computer game for some of you that don't know. And you have like that little diamond, that green diamond above your head, and you make them do certain things. And I feel like this is like, the reason Spirit showing me this is because some of you guys think that that's your life. You're like, am I really in control of everything? I feel like life's happening to me. Like I feel like I'm a Sims character. And Spirit says nothing's ever happening to you. It's all happening for you. So let's pull some cards. I want to give you some clarity on your situation because sometimes we just need some answers to move forward. So, okay, a huge pile just fell on the floor. Let's see what those are. Okay, I'm gonna look at these with you guys. I'm trusting that these three cards that fell out are gonna give us the clarity and the cards that were supposed to come out. Okay, so we have the Magician, we have the 10 of Pentacles, and then we have, ooh, the 8 of Wands. Interesting. Wow. Okay, I'm seeing hearts. I'm seeing like pink and red hearts everywhere. I'm seeing like this, oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. January is going to be a transformational month for a lot of you guys. And I'm seeing that there's someone who came into your life very suddenly, very quickly in the past, okay? This was like, you're my soulmate. I love you so much. And then they went away. And I'm being shown that later on in life, like when you guys are much older, like over the age of 50, they're going to come back into your life and you're going to be together. Wow. You know what? I had no idea that this was going to be this type of reading, but that just came to me so strong that I almost feel like what you're feeling. You knew this was going to happen. You've always had the intuition. You always felt like this person was going to come back into your life. Wow. Yes, I really feel this, you guys. And some of you are like, over the age of 50, like maybe you're very young and that feels hard to know, but this is like a gift because it's telling you that you need to just live your life. Don't hold up, don't be sitting at a stop sign your whole life. Don't be sitting at a stop sign waiting your whole life because perhaps your destination is 50 miles away, and by you sitting and waiting at that stop sign, you'll never reach the destination. Keep driving the car. Keep driving the car and you'll get there in divine timing, and in divine timing, the other person will also meet there perfectly, and you guys will meet at the destination in divine timing. But if you stop driving the car, you're going to miss it, okay? So keep living your life. It'll happen later on. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful reading. Let me know if it resonates. Also, check out my TikTok shop. Check out the link in my bio. That's all I've got to say. I'll see you guys next time.